A single story on a cul-de-sac with a view that'll capture you as soon as you walk in. Come and put your bathing suits on and enjoy your new pool.
In the midnight hour, I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you. When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you.
Sunday morning, coffee in hand, you open your slider and your living room becomes your backyard. New kitchen, new floors, new AC, the heavy lifting's already done. Canyon Crest Town Center is right around the corner for coffee, errands, and dinner out.
I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you when you call my name. It's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you.
This is indoor-outdoor living at its finest. DM us to come and see it for yourself.
Guys, I said swimsuits, not business suits.
When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you. When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take take